Alright then. See you later. Whee! Testing the audio. I've got this set up. Hopefully it works now. With me speaking into it. And the bike being not loud, but loud enough. Woohoo! Okay, so first port of call is a coffee. Get a nice beveragino. You know, when I first started riding, I didn't know whether I was able to go in there. The answer is no. How the roads feel. Yeah, they're slippy, very slippy. Meow. Go on, little monkey bike! Oh, this bike just puts a smile on your face wherever you ride it. Oh, I'm so scared of the ice. Canterbury, hello. Alright, through we go. Monkey. Feel the raw power of the Honda Monkey. Meow. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to do that. The coffee place is down here. Whee. Ooh, wait for this car. 111 miles on the clock. You're welcome, young friend. Whee. Let's whack it here. I'm friendly. Behind this helmet, I'm a person. Fringe and Ginge, lovely coffee. Oh, no entry right, I believe. Okay, cool. Whee! That was a lovely coffee at Fringe and Ginge, would highly recommend. You should get a monkey bike. Watch out, the car coming. Woo! Is that still water? Okay, that's good, that's still water. Right, good. The first fill up of the monkey bike. Whee! Let's get you fueled up. Take my money. The machine might be broken. What the hell is going on? Super unleaded. Put normal fuel in. Don't know how well this bike can take fuel. Bloody hell. Right, let's see how much it takes. No. I'm full already. Bloody hell. £3.31. Oh yeah, 9 please. Well, I don't think we're going to have time to tell the story. Alright, okay, little monkey, all filled up. There you go. Off we go. Let's try that again, shall we? Little monkey bike's got some fuel. £3 to fill her up. I couldn't believe how quick that was. I was like, oh, and it's done. I'm going.